akwai analysis da na tura a public group a jiya ne, inda za ku ga abin da nake expecting a gold. I'm expecting this to happen. Kamar ga mun yi reacting a wannan fair value gap. Na tura analysis last week ko weekend ne, da nake expecting a taking sell side an yi taking, and yanzu muna ganin movement from wannan internal din and okay, external din, and the next external is this. So jiya na tura analysis a Nasara public channel, inda nake expecting wannan volume imbalance ya zama inversion, a ci gaba da buy, at least wannan ya zama draw liquidity namu ne yau, wannan volume imbalance ne shi zai zama draw liquidity namu, and overall za mu targeting high din nan a satin nan. So we are still bullish kenan. Muka koma 4-hour time frame za mu ga wannan fair value gap din nan ta daily, yeah, in the price is tapping into wannan fair value gap din. And this was last week trade, Monday's trade, I mean. So I talk about wannan a YouTube live stream da ne wannan trade din, ko in ce I analyze this together a YouTube live stream. Za ku iya koma ku kalli previous live stream ba last one ba, za ku ga trade idea din. And you guys, I assume duk wanda yake Nasara Elite, you already know the model and the narrative yadda za ka yi conducting wannan analysis din. So right now muka kalli gold, me muke gani a cikin price? Daily key level, daily volume imbalance din shine internal range liquidity da muke ciki, and this is that external range level da muke gani, previous days high kenan. And za mu ga an ɗauki sell side liquidity na me muke gani? Break up market structure. Na menene? Imbalance, fair value gap. After break up structure, price I dropping ya da cikin wannan fair value gap ne. So ba tare da hesitation ba, I'm expecting the movement. Ina cikin trade ina already, because this is the obvious thing I can see. Ina expecting movement as well. I taking wannan high day, and that is my target for today. Gold kenan, and that is that I'm already inside the trade. Wannan kuma I entered this trade yesterday at Nasdaq, na shige shi jiya, even though ina yawan faɗa cewa muna around all time high is very very difficult kai predicting reversal. Continuation wannan is possible, but reversal around high time frame is difficult. So jiya a 1 hour time frame, this is what I saw. Wannan bayanin da na yi yanzu a kan Nasdaq kamar abin da na saba gani ne, but it doesn't mean it is the reality on ground. Ko a all time high ko all time low za ka iya neman reversal ka ɗauki entry. The difficulty na wannan. Based on wannan, jiya na ga confluence na market inda ta nuna mun footprint cewa za ta yi set. Misali, mun ga wannan accumulation, wannan buy side liquidity, price high purge wannan liquidity ne, break of structure, nan mun kalla za mu ga price side a cikin wannan fair value gap ne, and then drop. So a 2 hour time frame, na nemi wannan entry ne, because wannan 1 hour already an yi tapping. So a 2 hour na nemi entry na shiga, na shine draw liquidity, even though I expected drop. So price zamu ga it stayed a long time at cikin PDRA. For me, I don't want to see price spending a lot of time at cikin PDRA, even though price successfully delivered to draw liquidity, but spending too much time into PDRA for me is a red flag. Wanna draw all liquidity to this sell side shine fair value gap din na daily. Kamar yadda na faɗa, a daily it's easy to get continuation, zamu ga an shigo cikin fair value gap din na right, than to get reversal. So wannan shine. So, and what I do mostly high time frame, I trade in all time high or all time low. I just trade mechanical. It's more better like trading mechanical like trading discretionary. So right now I'll be trading New York Jesus model 930 Dumugata 930, and this is our 830. This right here is our 830, this bearish. So this is our 830 often. Price I trading below 830 often. So most likely is to see price taking the high, daily fair value gap. So we have this relative equal quantity triple highs, and then let's see if we can get an opportunity that I'm joining. I bet you guys already watch the focus model wanda muke focusing akan first presented fair value gap down. Har price I tapping into and first presented fair value gap while I was away. So Anna is more likely to get continuation trade. And let's see SP500. When the SP500 chi, I don't know. It's a chi. See how SP500 is reacting. That is very, very slow, and we can see SMT divergence between SP500 and Nasdaq. So definitely Nasdaq that is leading with all indication, and this is our first presented fair value gap. When it's a first presented fair value gap now. So based on this high shine nake expecting, I'll be looking for opportunity to join. In the zan iya samun price retracing back into this, then definitely I'll join. And my stops are going to be below this low, and my targets are going to be around this high. So focus model is discretionary with mix of mechanical, with mix of discretionary. But then okay, entry a order block, the number one peer okay entry a order blocks, but mostly my entries are within the fair value gap. So I would rather see price tapping. Honestly, I missed this. The inner around, maybe if I started this streaming earlier, I could have taken this trade. And SP500, this is this fair value gap I need creating to 931. So this should be an inversion. An inversion kenan SP500. I don't trade SP500 that often, so I will not be executing on SP500. And Zamoga, we have this high, so this should be considered as inversion. I'm not executing on SP500. I would rather wait for Nasdaq to that one fair value gap, and then definitely I'll take a small entry because I'm already inside one chart. Yeah, Sunenshi Gold. So I'll be taking this entry on Nasdaq. So let's see what we can have on Nasdaq. Alright, price yana cikin already key level ne. So I'll be taking this buy right now, and my stop loss is essentially below load in the for me. Already in a chicken buy in. Stops in a essentially below load in the buying, and I'll be looking for anything around that high. I don't know, 1:1, but yes, 1:3. No, 1:4.5 R. And I'll be having some partials around some logical levels. When you pay attention, what do you have? This and this. I don't know ko ana gani na saboda wani sa'in kana stream haka zaka zo kai taba batu ashe ba a ganin ka. So you can see we have me high and high, relative equal high ko, very very important level da ya kamata kai taking partial ko ka saka break even. Anytime you are trading, you need to be considering logical levels, okay, for your break even and partial. So this is going to be BEO partial level, BEO partial. That is only when the market have reached that level, then definitely, I don't know whether if it is 2R, 2 point something R, or 1 point something R, in the price agenda is going to be BEO partial. And let me give you another secret. This one, the kake trading PS da suka zama correlated irin haka. Your attention should be a wacce ka shiga. In kana kallon ɗaya za ta zama tana distracting ɗinka. Za ka iya wani abu na daban a ɗayar da zai faɗa maka cewa a price zai yi wani abu something else. So your focus should be on the one that kai executing. regardless of how correlated it is, in dai ka shiga trade. And I also want to share another secret da zai taimaka maka in kana cikin trade. I always say this a cikin mentorship, a cikin Twitter spaces, a cikin content da yawa da nayi. So when you are trading, kai avoiding social media har sai ka taɓa take profit ko loss. Za ka iya zuwa yanzu Twitter ko wani gurin kaga wani ya ce sell zai yi. Before you know it, it messed up with your psychology. So kaga karka kalli ɗayar correlated pair ɗin, karka je social media har sai ka gama trade ɗinka, and karka kalli P and L section ɗin nan, wannan profit and L. Misali a cikin MT5 ko MT4 naka, wannan gurin da yake nuna fluctuation na profit or loss, kaka kalli gurin nan. Your attention should be on the chart. Me kasuwan yake yi a chart shine inda attention naka zai kasance. Okay, very very important. Yaya price ya shiga cikin PDR ɗinka, yaya price ya fita daga PDR ɗinka, yaya price ya ringa reacting. That is the most important thing in ka shiga trade. Zai taimaka maka kai battling wannan tunanin na karfa a dawo a zo a cire ni a loss, right? Ko kuma me yasa na ce haka, saboda in kana kallon P and L, fluctuation na profit da loss ɗin nan, is very easy zai trigger ɗin tsoronka akan kar a dawo a cire ka a loss. In kana kallon fluctuation na profit and loss, guarantee it's very very much easier trigger emotion ɗinka. Amma in iya candle kake kalla, you're just seeing the fluctuation, ka ɗan yaudari kwakwalwanka akan cewa kamar ka manta da profit fluctuation ɗin. Misali yanzu, let's say na risking $100, before you know it ina tunani. So now yanzu it's time for me to set break even. Me yasa zan saka break even? Kun ga wannan level ɗin da kasuwan ya zo ko? Logical level kenan. So you are trading logically, okay? So yanzu I am setting my break even. You are setting your break even, okay? This is how you trade. Ruwan da ya sani in ina trading indices, zan iya ma ɗaukar maka profit a 1:1.5 R. Ina yin wannan because I have higher win rate a trading indices akan yadda nake trading da other things da ba indices ba. So I can easily set break even, misali nake muku indices kenan, because especially in kana trading the logical levels, this is a logical level that buys side liquidity. So na saka break even yanzu. I'll send you a screenshot in the group, you can see it. In a live trading. Now, in kasa break even, because it's personal account, nasa break even yanzu, I'm taking partial. So then biya kaina at least, okay? And then I don't care if the market come to this level or not. I don't care. I already have a successful trade. Me kake da shi anan again? You have in ka kalla, as I explained a lectures da muka yi da ku, cewa liquidity is based on importance, right? Triple highs is stronger than double highs. Double highs is stronger than single high. Vice versa. Triple lows are stronger than. So now muna da triple highs, relative equal highs za ku gansu. So this should be a very very important level da za ka yi nemi kai taking profit. This should be very very important level. This is just 2.5 R. 2.5 R is good return, and you can hold and wait for, or you can take profit and set partial till kai taking wani abu na profit, maybe profit 1, and ka jira price har ya je can ka bar something on the table, because you make money leaving something on the table all the time. So kamar da na faɗa, you keep on watching the candlestick only, you understand, and paying attention to how price is acting what do we have a nan? Muna da fair value gap. Ya price ya reacting akan wannan fair value gap is very very important. Shi sa wani sai in kuna bibiyar trade ina za ku ga wani sai I just say let me exit this trade because in na ga wani abu wanda na saba kallon trade ina in yana tafiya na saba ganin sign da yake nuna mun cewa trade ina is more likely to fail or is more likely to deliver. Kamar wannan trade din da nake ciki, it is just showing me smooth and nice delivery. Ban ga wani sign da yake nuna cewa za a dawo a sell ba, except in kasuwan ta dawo ta bani sign din, then definitely maybe zan iya fita kafin a cire ni a break even ko loss misali. So shi sa wani sign in ina cikin trade, most of the times zan iya gane cewa setup dina zai failing, da haka sai in fita in rage risk ina maimakon in yi holding trade din da zai failing. Most of the time ina wannan. And wannan yana daga cikin abun da kowane trader dole ya koya, ka san lokacin da trade ɗinka yake likely ya failing, sai ka rage loss ɗinka ka fitar da ƙaramin asara maimakon ka ci gaba da riƙewa har a zo a taɓa maka loss. Is very very important. So through watching the candles, that is the most important. Shine abin da zai taimake ka wajen overcoming wannan kenan. And you can take profit here. Your break even is already there. I took partial regardless of how small it is, and you leave something on the table to see if the market will come to this level. If the market decide let it come and take you out on break even, that doesn't matter. At least the market deliver with almost 2R, right? I'm back at 2R. That is to say you risk 1,000 and you get $2,000. Very, very decent. I know a lot of traders are unprofitable, not just because they don't know how to trade, but because they don't know how to manage their trades, or they place too much unrealistic expectations when they have an opportunity. McDouglas always yana faɗa wannan magana. When you are trading, 80% of the time you are waiting. Only 20% of the time kake executing. And during that time that you are executing, when you execute and the market is moving on your favor, the most important thing is that trade management. How you pay yourself. ICT ma yana yawan faɗa wannan, pay the trader. How you pay yourself is very important. You can never go broke paying yourself. But in trading, let's say when you are trading, you are supposed to be paying yourself reasonably. Misali ba za ka yi risking 1 ba, the more ka samu 0.5 ka ce za ka yi ka no. Or the more ka samu 1:1. It depends. Kamar yadda na faɗa, sometimes zan iya fita a 1:1 in ina da win rate mai kyau a watan kenan. 1:1, 1:1.5, 1:2. It's very okay. You become profitable doing that continuously. Amma it is not making sense to see a trader holding a trade yana targeting 3R. An zo an bashi 2.8R, wai kuma ya ce maka an dawo an cire shi a stop loss. It doesn't make sense. Ko da ba za ka biya kanka partial ko wani abu, at least you protect that position, break even da sauransu. So this is very very important. So this is the Nasdaq trade, and let's go down to 1 hour time frame. On 1 hour time frame, this is the gold trade. I am inside drawdown. Say the kasuwan yazo na. This is like, let's say, I think 1 point something R, 1.4R. It is not that much of a movement, and my target is this. So I still don't see any invalidation point. I may consider this as retracement back to the PT area. Wani sa'in kasuwan sai yayi wannan wasan kura da emotion naka. And it can be a loss, it can be a win. I don't care. Why do I not care? Because I know I am trading based on the plan, based on what I see. So it is left for the market to do what it wants. That is very, very important. Mindset in da ake son ka samu wa kanka kenan. So this is Nasdaq trade, and we are in for good. So, oh, na manta ina stream. Karaji na yi shiru. Na zo tagging account ɗinka ai na duba na ga ko ka canza username na ce ka san mutum ya tara kuɗi da yawa sai zai ta canza username. So that is exactly what you did. Kai manta da ni ai. We are not sending dollars at all. Sai dai mu ji a bakin duniya. Anwar ya ba da dola kaza, ba da dola kaza. Alhamdulillah. So yeah, okay. Kamar wani turo message. Damn. So now that we got a little bit of manipulation, definitely I'll be expecting, especially in Zuma macro window, I'll be expecting like aggressive movement, maybe aggressive candles. Muga anyi breaking high in now. It will not look healthy if price stay a little bit longer after taking this sell side and then displacing below this low. If price take a little bit longer without breaking this fair value gap, it's more likely Muga price here that we are trading aggressively to the downside. And then seeing that, it will make me like end the trade. I'll exit because most likely if price do so, then it will target this low, and then perhaps it will target our supposed stop loss gainer. So I don't want to see body na candle closing anyway below this pair value gap. It will be very, very unhealthy. Yeah, Zamuga price will kulle the body, but it's just weak. So hopefully maybe this candle or the next one, I would like to see body closing above this fair value gap then. So kun ga wannan shine importance na kana trading, kana observing candles ne. It will help you a lot ka iya sani invalidation point ko kuma lokacin da ya dace ka ƙara position. Amma yanzu in P&L kake kalla kana kallon fluctuation na profit da loss naka, before you know it emotion zai shiga bin zaka je kai rufe wannan trade din naka. But you see, you are just learning because we know if they want to buy, they need to engineer liquidity and gather more orders. At kowane level na time frame, they do that manipulation. This is accumulation and then forming this sell side. So that was the on the sell side thing and then munga aggressive movement. So at least we're now expecting body ya kulle above fair value gap. And body ya kulle above one fair value gap in shine zai rendering ta. But I'm expecting lower price movement ba. Wannan candle in body bai kulle ba, likely wannan zai kulle. And then in wannan ya kulle, your stop loss da yake break even, I return it back to this level. In wannan candle in ya kulle kenan, the body bai kulle ba. Let's see the next candle in ya kulle shi. It's more likely to see this next candle closing or the next one, I don't know. Amma in week ne yake shiga ya fita, it makes the PDRA to be stronger. Amma in week ne, anytime we see week, so that is very, very important. So exactly what is happening right now, what we anticipate to see. Now, relative equal highs, ainiteki. So your stop loss logically should be back to this level. Anytime mukaga price ya dawo nan, then maybe it is changing direction. So for today, in as much as muka zona, I will be exiting all the positions. Don't put 2.5R is very, very decent on this position. So an yi sakin nan, and then wannan menene, this is fell bearish fair value gap, ta zama inversion. You already know this. So I did mean to say I am adding another order, then definitely candle in the kulle, I will add another order as I wannan candle in the retracing, but I'm not adding any new order. Okay. A ce wannan live session din da nake ta magana ba kowa ba aji. It is going to be very, very disappointing. So we are fast approaching this level, and then boom, at 2.5 hour, it will be done for the day. Let me see the Nasdaq, the gold trade. Gold trade an kusa a tura ni cikin loss. Most likely I can chop loss. I don't care. I have a very good trade on Nasdaq, and that is what matters. So Nasdaq hit take profit. We are set for good. 2.5 hour is very, very decent return, and that end today's live stream. Inshallah. I hope we experience something new today, and see next live stream. It is recorded in